Hello guys, this is Chris with marketingintelligence.com, and in today's video I would like to show you on how you can make a couple of $100 or more on selling others people products and services. No experience needed, no products of your own needed, no technical knowledge needed. Just follow this step-by-step process that I'm going to show you shortly and start making money very easily. Before we go ahead and start this video, I would like to ask you to click my number one recommendation below this video in order to see my best way to get passive income from the comfort of your house every single month. And at the end of the day, that's why you're watching this video, because you are interested in making money and extra income. So go ahead and click the link below this video. And also I would like to ask you to subscribe. Click the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it in order to become a subscriber on my channel. It will be an honor in order to receive my videos and in order for me to have your feedback on the videos I release every single day or week, depends from there on. So with no further ado, let's go ahead and start on how you can make money online with this selling others people product and services. Okay guys, what I would like you to do it's to open your browser and go ahead and search for affiliate websites. Okay, so what I would like you to do is go and check for affiliates websites and programs, right? And you'll be launched to different 22 successful Amazon affiliate websites as an example. Other affiliate websites over here. For my case and for this video, I'm using ClickShore. It's one of them, very successful site that I'm using. So you go ahead and feel free to join and become a member on the ClickShore affiliate account. And what you do is once you become an affiliate, you will be able to search from this amazing list of products and services that you'll be able to promote, and I will show you how you'll be able to do this. So you don't have to use your own product, you don't have to use your own services, you don't have to worry about stalking and anything like that. Just go ahead, promote wisely, not by spamming, wisely. I'm going to show you how you're going to do this, and I'm going to show you as well how to get the correct and targeted traffic on a very short session from now. We'll continue in a bit and show you to do this, and how you can start generating money with using these affiliates programs or products or services. Okay, so go ahead, let's say for example you already became a member. Let's say for example, for this case and the sake of the example, I'm using ClickShore. What you need to do is to come on the main page, right? This is the main page. View the new offers, let's say for example here, and you are able to go one by one, guys, down and see the offers that they provide you. Okay, and you are able to choose the one you think is better for you, the one you would like to promote, and so on. And what you need to do, I will show you shortly on once you find the one you're targeting. Let's say for example, look, this is an average sale of $250 per sale. This one, again the same. This one, it gives you about average $30 per sale. This one is per percentage. Okay, so you're looking for something like this, that it gives you a very good average per sale. So once you find what you like to promote, this guy is giving you everything. So let's say for example you choose here and you want to use the crypto code, you'll be able, they provide you even with a promote video. Yeah, so this is the landing page, the promote video.
Congratulations,
and you are able to take these guys and you promote accordingly on a landing page you have or a website you have. But I will show you something different. So let's do a step by step. Let's say for example, okay, let's pick something. What's top offers? Bitcoin. Okay, everybody's going crazy with the Bitcoin right now. Yeah, everybody's it's a very hot item, it's a very popular item. It's been a few months, it's very popular. The value of Bitcoin is up there. Everybody has an eye on Bitcoin, so let's go ahead and advertise Bitcoin, let's say. Yeah, so once you become a member, I found the Bitcoin here. They will give you a link. Yeah, you will take the link below this video. You're gonna highlight it, and what you're gonna do is, after you highlight this link, I would like to ask you to open a URL shortener. Yeah, so what the URL shortener does, it's instead of having the whole link showing, sometimes it shows sensitive information as well, and they sometimes become really long. You're gonna do a shortening of your URL, and you can do this by, let's say for example, go to Google, and all you have to do is type Google URL shortener. Yeah, first link, open it, and what you need to do is just click and paste the link of your affiliate marketing. Yeah, so you put it here, you click the shortening URL, and all the thing you have to do is just copy this here by click the copy short URL here, click it. You can see a small note here that the URL is copied, and from there on, the next step and final step is to find targeted traffic, guys, on where you can promote this offer. So what you need to do is you using, let's say for example, right now we are targeting Bitcoins, correct? So we want to find people that are very, very highly interested on the. Right, so the best way to do this, guys, is go to Google and then write Bitcoin forums. Bitcoin forums. Now you will see here different Bitcoin forums. All right, and what you need to do is go to one of them to see which one is really active, become a member, and see, like for example, this Bitcoin discussion has already 373 messages, discussions, and for almost 5,000 messages. This one below has 23,000. This one here has almost 2,000 messages. What you need to do, you need to sign up on the forum, and very wisely and smart to present your opinion about this session, and present as well your URL. So what I mean by that, we don't want to spam, guys. Yeah, we don't want to spam. By all means, if you spam, it's not good. We don't like spam to receive, so we don't like to give spam as well. So what I would like to ask you on this one is to go become a member of one of these forums. There is a lot of forums out there on these sessions. Just as many as you can subscribe and give it a nice feedback as below. For example, you read this Bitcoin discussion here and say as a comment below, very, very nice, let's say for example, very nice forum, very nice discussion. I really like this subject. The feedback on this section is very nice. I had this concerns myself when I was wanted to invest on Bitcoin. And let's say for example, guys, on the last few days when I was running up and down trying to find a little bit more information, I ran into this. Bam, you put your URL, you copy paste this tiny URL on your discussion, and you put it there and say, if you guys are interested in finding a little bit of information, this one is something that I really liked. I hope you enjoyed this as well, and push it. You never say, guys, go buy this, guys, you have to buy this, and say this is spamming, guys. You don't want to do this. You have to give nice, smart feedback, so people will, the forums, first of all, you won't block you, and then you also contributing on the forum as well. You're going to the admins or the people who actually like this interest, and this is the people you like to have them buy as well. So you said, guys, it was a very, very nice discussion, very nice forum on this specific topic. I really like this part because I was also looking into this while I was searching on other sites and so on. I found this that I really like. Maybe you would like this one, this service or this product, and you put your URL. Go ahead and click it. It definitely helped me a lot on my search, and you push it. That's it. This is one way, guys. This is forums is one way to do it. And what I would like also to suggest, again, on the same way, everybody has a Facebook account. So what I would like to ask you to do is to open your Facebook account. Yeah, and what you do from the Facebook account, you are able to go to the groups and search for a group. Like when you go up to your Facebook account and you search for somebody, for a friend and so on, or a topic, just look, let's say for example, in this case, Bitcoin group or Bitcoin symbol, and you will be located with different Bitcoin groups. You can be accepted or send a request or just become a member, and depending on the group, and then from there on follow the same logic. Ask them to follow a discussion and say, let's say for example, if somebody's discussing something, somebody's giving a specific feedback, you can start easily. Don't go too harsh on them. Yeah, go become a member on this group. The more popular, the better. And let's say for example, you can start for the first couple of days and say, hey guys, very nice group. Anybody of you bought the Bitcoin, let's say for example, anybody's using it, what's the current value right now, any worries or any concerns of somebody who's looking to invest on Bitcoin. Start a couple of conversations like this, and at the end of the day, couple of days afterwards, once you do a small conversation and start a few topics of your own, you can go back and say, hey guys, while I was running up and down and looking and doing my research on the Bitcoin, I found this. I think it's really smart and really nice. Feel free to check it out. Bam, you put your URL copy and people start to buy it. Guys, this is it. This is the very simple targeted traffic in order to sell and promote your product. This was just a small example of the Bitcoin. I found it out there. It was the #1 recommendation. Just go ahead and become a member of an affiliate website. Choose a product that better feels you to promote, and you can follow this method. You can use forums, you can use Facebook, you can use groups, and simply smart, go ahead and promote your link. Do not spam, because if you get spammed, you're gonna get deleted, and go from there. This is it. This is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found this video very useful, very easy to use. It will bring you and generate you a good amount of income if you use it wisely, depending on the product you're promoting. And if you like this video, please click like, and if you haven't already, click the #1 recommendation below this video in order to see the best way I'm using to get my finances better, to be my #1 recommendation for income. Thank you once again. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.